Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. Today we are going to make a Python program to reverse a list without using list.reverse, means without using reverse function. We are going to reverse a list. Okay, so first I will take the input of list. Since the all the elements of the list are integer, so I will take the int input and split all the elements by a space, split parenthesis, and here I will take a empty list 2 equal to square bracket. Okay, and now I'm going to take a for loop for I in range. This I will be ranging from the last index, the element at last index of list 1, and to the zeroth index. Okay, the I value will be ranging from the last index of list 1 to the zeroth index. Okay, because we are going to take the element from the last and appending those element to the list 2. Understand? So what will be the maximum index of any list, length of that list or any string, you can say anything. What is the maximum index number? Length of that list minus 1. So I will take the initial value of I, length of list 1 minus 1. Okay, and the final value of I will be 0. So you will not take here 0 because it will, if you take step will be minus 1. Okay, we are going to take a step minus 1. If you take 1, then it will make an infinite loop. Okay, so I'm going to take here minus 1. Then if you minus 0 minus minus 1, then it will give the last value of I will be 1. So I am going to take it here minus 1. So minus 1 will be 0. So last value of I will be 0. So now here I will write operation list 2 dot append. I will append all the elements which is at I index in list 1. Okay, so here I will append list 1 square bracket I. Okay, and here I will print the list 2, which will be the reverse of list 1, list 2. So let's run the code. Let's take the input like 3 7 8 6. Okay, enter. So 41 23 6 8 77 3. Okay, 41 23 6 8 77 3. I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.